Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Darla.
Happy birthday to... What?
It is just you sing birthday, my darling. But it is Darla's birthday.
Yeah, do I look like a bird to you? Well, no, but that's how my family always sing it.
I know I'll regret asking, but why?
Well, as I'm sure you know, everybody in my family has a bird name. And my mommy would pick us up and hold us really, really high and see if we could fly. And yeah, okay, so we hit our heads a few times, but that's how you learn. And that's why it's called Bird Day. Oh, dear Lord, give me strength. What an interesting childhood there, Robin.
Yeah, kinda explains a lot, don't you think? Let's try it again, but this time we sing birthday.
Oh, all right. Boring.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Darla. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Darla.
Oh, yes, Darla.
Happy birthday. Show offs.